Alright, here we are.
Red records on.
Rick.
Joe.
Debbie. Debbie.
My camera's not coming on.
Oh, there you go.
Ricardo.
Spin around for a second. It was on like that standby mode.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay, we're good.
Alright.
2-second delay, no big deal. Alright, we're going to go through, turn off some lights, and then we're going to go dark. Now, one thing I want to show you guys real fast before, if you're going up or down any stairs, because you're going to be in the pitch black, instead of like turn that down,
you
can see the steps.
I was in the landing there at the top of the stairs, and I could feel a like that heaviness. Remember down in Ruskin?
Yeah.
You turn the corner, you kind of feel that wall.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah. When I came out of that room into that landing on the right, it was there. And then earlier it was touching me, or something was touching me in that bedroom where you have the voice recorder. And,
the bedroom over there, there's definitely some, because that's where I got the footsteps. That's definitely a hot spot, you know, where I think there's...
Yeah. Debbie says she felt something touch her hair.
Pull my hair, like right here.
Yeah.
So
who's touching Rick? Who's touching Debbie?
You just did it again.
You feel it again?
Right there, yeah.
I just got touched again.
Sort of noise over here behind me.
Are you up here?
Are you one of the people that used to live here from the Allen family? I didn't hear you. I thought I heard you. What was that? I heard something. So you heard that? I was like, how many girls lived in this house back in the day? Six? You say yes, sir?
Oh,
like,
yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir? Can you say my name, please? It's an easy one. I said his name. Were you a doctor here? Were there any doctors that were here?
Did you say one?
It sounded like you said one. What was the doctor's name? Can you tell me? Tell me your name, please. Doctor what? Gordon? I'm going to turn this off in a second if you don't talk.
You'll talk?
Look. Look. Oh, wow, that's crazy. It's going blue. It's never gone blue. It always goes red. That means there's a cold spot it's detecting.
I got the chills.
Yeah. It does feel cool, doesn't it? That was crazy, though. I've never seen it do that before, ever. Because it was like spiking and blue, and then it went completely red, and then it went out.
Yeah, it did blue, Rick, and then the whole red line came on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
And I've never seen it do that. Like, the blue one never comes on. I mean, it'll go red because you're just picking up the normal heat.
Yeah.
But what was crazy is it was blinking blue like it was picking up on a temperature change, a cold temperature change.
Red again.
And then it went like all red, and then it went out.
And the chill is kind of, I mean, it's still so cooler, but the chill is gone.
Anybody who'd like to communicate, please feel free. Sound like, so can you hear me? Can you tell me the name of the man who used to live in this house? He had a very unique first name. I think I just heard his last name. Can you tell me your wife's name, please? You say Eva?
Deb.
It said Deb. That's her name. Did you mean to say Deb?
Deb.
It said Deb. That's her name. Did you mean to say Deb?
Who are you? What's your name? There may be somebody out there in the spirit world that knows my name. You alright?
Yeah.
Who'd you meet?
I don't know, but I think the water's running in that bathroom over there.
The
Which
little
bathroom?
hallway one?
Where we were.
It's running now?
Yeah.
It's on?
I think so. I'm not sure. I'm freaked out because it gave me chills at the same time.
Do you want to hold this?
Okay.
Just kind of hold that away a little bit.
Hold it away.
Rick thinks the water might be on in the bathroom. So we're going to go take a look. Because if it is, I'm going to be thrilled.
Oh, no way.
What?
I swear I heard it.
You okay?
Look.
Babe who?
Babe, what? What'd you catch? A what?
Oh, I said ball.
Was he a catcher?
I'm not sure what Babe Ruth was.
What did you play, Babe Ruth? What position did you play?